So, Mr. Kevin, so nice to meet you today.
Nice to
And
meet
we
you.
saw a new concept from Cambridge made by music.
Yep.
And there are a lot of new products. Well, we can see it's more lifestyle design, it's more aesthetic visually. So, is it a new direction from the Cambridge audio?
Yes, I would say yes or no somehow, because starting from the early 2024, early this year, actually till now we have launched 7 new products in this year. So starting from the early of this year, from the CXN 100 and the EVO 150 DeLorean edition and the Melomania headphones, and now we have the EVO ONE all-in-one streaming speaker and also the new EX range. So now you can see nowadays, all of our products is divided into 3 different categories, like the separate traditional hi-fi separate components, and the all-in-one lifestyle system, and the personal audio Melomania range.
Yes, and that's very interesting point because like for Cambridge Audio, I think you guys have done a lot of speaker from hi-fi, from Bluetooth as well, but nothing compared to this Cambridge EVO ONE, that all-in-one unit. And I think this one is very interesting product with technical and it's beautiful to look at. But it will be compete at very like competitive markets with big names like Name, JBLs, and also Sonos Fiber as well. So what really set the EVO ONE apart from the competition?
Yes, I would say it's same as our legendary streaming products like the CXN 100 and the previous CXN V2. Our core value of the product is still the Stream Magic module built by ourselves, because we are not buying this software, the platform from the other third-party companies, but it's completely built up by our engineering team in the UK.
Yeah. And actually, let's talk about the Stream Magic as well, because it's really magical to talk at. Because like I think for Stream Magic, especially for the Gen 4, it's not, I review a lot of high-end products and nothing really compared to that user experience and user interface is easy to use. And for the sound quality, it's really high-end, use either wirelessly or connect through Ethernet.
Yep.
So how can you guys make that software experience so good and also make that really like suitable for power user, for high-end user, and also the newcomer who first-time buyer as well?
I would say that we will review the customer's experience regularly, and then we will improve all the things, and then by adding the new features by the OTA firmware updates for the app. So you can see we have a regular updates of the Stream Magic app. So just like by taking an example, like this week, we are going to release a new software, the firmware of the Stream Magic app, so which is compatible with the QQ Music, QPlay in China. So you can see whenever we feedback, there's some kind of the requirements from the customer or the feedbacks from the customer, we can respond fast, and then we can take further actions by ourselves. Yeah.
So let's talk about a new product that only about a week or two old, the EX new series. Because the EX will replace, I think, the very beloved Azur series, very iconic. So what is the technology inside the new EX series, especially EX 100 and EXA 100, to set it apart from the previous Azur generation and also the entry-level CX and AX?
Okay. Our engineering team spending 3 years to study and invested the time, resources, and technology applied on the EXA 100 and the EXM 100 never player. For the amplifier, so you can see it's combined a new knob of the EX range front panel. In the front, you can see the aluminum panel with the new volume knob and the full breadth panel in all height. And you even see you can see little change even on the logo. So on the technology, we completely built the 4-layer PCB and the signal part and the capacitor after that. So every single component in the circuit path is completely tested, carefully be tested and picked by our engineering team.
So yeah, so I was also have one question as well, because the EX100 is a new like Azur series. It's only one level below the Edge flagship, right? So really, so when the customer from the Azur going up, they're going to upgrade either EX or the Edge. So what really sets these two apart aside from each other?
Just same as what you mentioned. Actually, we trickled down the technology from the HM monoblock We're
Yeah.
breaking the technology, the components, putting in the circuit path in the EXA. So even inside the EXA 100 amplifiers, we use a completely new decided total transformer, and the heatsink completely new decided for the EXA amplifier only.
So we have very interesting products, especially from Cambridge Audios. Most people know Cambridge for their like amplification, network streaming products. But nowadays, even the headphones still have that Class AB design. Instead of more traditional, easier route that most brand use is the system-on-chip IC design amplification. So why is Cambridge go into so much sophisticated design, and what really sets that M100 and P100 apart from the very traditional, well-known high-end headphone brands that people should look and try looking forward to?
Yeah, because the CX range actually is our legendary products since we just launched the CX-A, CX-N never player since almost 10 years ago. So far this is the most popular products in the comedy category. Yeah. In addition, actually the stereo amp, this EXA, is the best-selling products over for the world. Yeah. So that's why we also use the characteristic of the Class AB amplification, which we used in the CX-A. We also want to apply it to the rest of the other products, including the Melomania headphones.
Next question for you is that Cambridge Audio is always well known for their price performance products, for price performance, very competitive design, but the inside look is also very good as well. So what is the message from Cambridge Audio to Vietnamese music lover, and what should people looking forward in the future?
Yeah, because as a manufacturer of the audio products for more than 50 years, actually we just only have one simple belief: is connect people to the power of the music. So that's why everything we did is just made by music. So no matter the traditional hyper-circuit components or lifestyle all in one system and the personal audio like the Melomania range, we want to make the product not just only deliver to the traditional audiophiles, but it's a big group of the music lovers.
Yeah, thank you so much, and we hope you will have a very successful high-end show in Vietnam, and also very successful new products launch. Good sales for you as well in Asia. So nice to meet you. Thank you
so
for
much.
doing the interview.
Yeah.